Hi there. This is a quick demonstration of the Empick's USB capability, which is now working robustly. This is the Empick circuit board right over here, and plugged into it I have a USB-C to USB-A adapter cable. Any device with a file system and USB should be compatible with this. Anyway, and here's my, on an extension cable, USB-A connector from my workstation. So I'm about to plug these two things together. And so now we'll just move the camera over and get the focus on here so that you can maybe see what's on that screen. And now I'm going to plug the two together. And that's the familiar sound of the artificial intelligent gerbil. I don't know if you can see that or not, so I'm just going to, I'm going to indicate it with the mouse and highlight it. An Empick thumb drive type device. Double click on that, and we have a test file that's on the Empick, and you can enter things into that test file and save it. And open it again, and there it is. So, everything is working as it should. And that is how firmware updates are going to be done. So you will download the firmware update from our website onto your machine. It doesn't matter whether you got an Apple or a PC or a Linux-based machine or a Chromebook. You'll download the firmware, and then you'll just drag it into the Empick thumb drive, which behaves just like a little thumb drive. And then when you're all done, you unplug it and it goes away. And the Empick now has that firmware update, which it will turn into the new feature set and new behavior set for the Empick. So that's how we're doing firmware updates, and I think this is a darn good way to do firmware updates myself. I'm not really aware of any other devices in the music industry that do it this way, but I think it's very easy. I don't have to maintain, custom clients on a PC and an Apple and so forth, to enable this. We just depend on the existing operating system to make it possible. And should be pretty robust. So that is that. That's my current update. I know this isn't musically exciting, but this is a really, really important part of the Empick, because I plan on having an ongoing firmware development program, and I need everybody to be able to get firmware updates and install them to the device as easy as possible. So I couldn't really think of anything easier than this. Thank you, and happy holidays, everyone.